hardly any lymphocytes, mainly granulocytes, but you must confirm this by looking at your WBC count. Is the count high? Yes. So what is it high due to? Granulocytes, that means neutrophils probably are high, or maybe a case of CML. Next please. Eosinophilia gives rise to the mid population going up. Next. CML, as I said, starts with a smaller cell and it's all mid and granulocytes. So basically it gives you a very huge hump sorry, in the middle region as well as in the granulocyte peak. Next please. CLL, lymphocyte peak is there, no other peak is seen. But the catch is there, when you look at a histogram like this, it may be total neutropenia. How do you know that it is lymphocytosis? You see the lymphocyte peak, but you have to look at your WBC count. If the WBC count is high, then something has increased, and that is the lymphocytes. But in case the WBC count was 1000, I will never call it lymphocytosis. The graph may be exactly as it is, and this is due to neutropenia. So the data has to be seen from the printed data to the histogram for your interpretation. Next please. Double peak in WBC histogram. Maybe atypical cells or maybe plasmacytoid cells. RBC normal, platelets normal. Next please. Malaria parasites can be picked up by these counters sometimes. In the WBC histogram, you can see them as a sharp peak arising next to the y-axis. These are nucleated parasites which are seen, and that is usually seen as a high peak on the y-axis. Next please. Pancytopenia, as I just said, if the lymphocytes are seen but no neutrophils, RDW may be normal, platelets are very few, and they are all very small platelets. What is the size of these platelets? They are all very, very small, next to 2 femtoliters. That means there is a production defect from the marrow, because older the platelets, smaller they are, and younger the larger. Next please. Now this is again neutrophilia that you have. Next please. So broadly speaking, that is your histogram. As I have been telling you that platelets, clumps and giant platelets can interfere in this area of your histogram. Lymphocytes, atypical lymphocytes, blasts, plasma cells, then the mid population where you can have promyelocytes, myelocytes, eosinophils, and the mature granulocytes. Next please. Next. Platelet counts have been beautifully described by Dr. Bhave. I will just bring out a few things. That the most common method and a good precision. Most of the counters are very good. They give you good precision at the counts when they are normal. However, when they are thrombocytopenic, that's the time when you have problem in your counters. Please never report a low platelet count given by your counter without verifying your peripheral smear. Never is the word, because the count may be normal and yet you may be reporting it as low. Dr. Bhave has already told you, we'll just come to that quickly. Many places I still feel manual methods for low platelet counts are still the best method. That is the Brecker's method, 1% ammonium oxalate is the standard method recommended by the International Society also, although they are trying to develop a reference method by using certain monoclonal antibodies, by using the flow cytometry. But believe me, so far, manual platelet count by 1% ammonium oxalate, counting in your newborn counting chamber, is the best method for thrombocytopenic patients. Next please. Next please. Next please. Yeah. Now, platelet distribution. Whenever you're looking at the platelet graph, as I said, it may be interfered with microcytosis or maybe cell debris. Next. And platelet size, very important. Increase platelet volume, and that is where Dr. Bhave mentioned that MPV is important and it gives him a lot of information. We should be interpreting it for him and telling him what is the reason for that particular case. Large platelets are due to all these reasons, and small platelets, as I said, are older platelets and are due to any of these reasons. Next page. Next. Automated instruments can give you false high due to, please remember these causes. So if you have a very high platelet count, it may be due to extreme microcytosis, especially in patients of HBH disease, microspherocytes, microangiopathic hemolytic anemia.